Hello everyone. The following is a video review of the TradeRush binary option trading platform. In this review, I will touch on the types of binary option systems that are offered by TradeRush, including call and put options, OneTouch options, and 60-second options. Additionally, I will discuss the assets that are traded, the different expiry methods, the payouts offered by TradeRush, any special promotions and or bonuses, the deposit and withdrawal process, the security and banking process, as well as customer service offered by TradeRush. TradeRush offers the most popular types of binary options, which include the call and put options in a format that is very easy to use. Expiration for their options are 15-minute, 30-minute, 60-minute, 1 day, 1 week, as well as very popular 60-second options. The way they list their different options is by hot assets, commodities, currencies, as well as indices and stocks. You simply choose the particular currency pair or asset that you're looking to trade, and then once you figure that out, you determine whether or not what your expiry should be. In this particular case, it's going to expire within 5 minutes. This is one that is predetermined. You can choose any particular expiry method that you would like that are offered by TradeRush. You simply then either try to determine whether or not the market is going higher or lower from the current levels. If you believe it's going higher, you would click on call, and that would lead you to a screen that could give you how much you're willing to risk. The minimum amount allowed for risk by TradeRush is $10. The maximum is $6,000. Once you type in how much you're willing to risk, say for instance, in this case 100, you would simply click on apply, and it would allow you to go forward and tell you that your trade has been confirmed. TradeRush on these standard binary options for calls and puts offers a payout range from 70 to approximately 85% depending on the tenor of the option and how many people are actually trading those options. They give you on the left hand side a popularity gauge as well that tell you what other traders are currently doing for this particular type of trade. In this case, it's 69% are choosing that the market's going to go higher, while only 31% are choosing that it's going to go lower. Another very popular type of binary option offered by TradeRush is the OneTouch option. This option is pretty much a standard weekly option where the goal level is either above or below the current particular levels. The payouts are significant and can range to up to 700% of the amount that you're going to invest. In the case here of the NASDAQ, they are giving you a return profile of 500% if within 1 week there is a touch of that level above at 43.71. In a OneTouch option, it doesn't need to expire at that particular level. It just needs to touch that level. And if it touches that level prior to that week, you are in the money. They have the same options for below and numerous different types of indices that OneTouch will work on. They also offer 60-second options. 60-second options listed on one of their tabs is an option that expires within 60 seconds. Generally, the payouts are slightly lower than the average, approximately 70% when they are offered. And if the market is within the money within a 60-second period, you receive a payout. Many people like 60-second options because it's a lot easier to determine what's going to happen within the next 60 seconds compared to what's going to happen within a day or in even a week. I mean, if you think about real life situations, if it's raining outside, it's a lot easier to figure out if it's going to be raining in the next 60 seconds than if it's going to be raining in the next hour or even day. And if it's not raining, it's a lot easier to determine the same type of things. Trading is very similar, and that's why 60-second options are ever so popular. The TradeRush offers a large range of assets that customers can choose from. They have a huge asset index list, which consists of 44 stocks, 25 currency pairs, 10 commodities, and 28 different indices from around the world. Each individual asset will tell you what the asset is if you click on it, the trading hours that you can trade on TradeRush, and when it's available. So for example, this one is available from 1500 to 2100, and so you will have an idea of when that trades on particular days, and they do that for each individual asset that is listed. So if we look within the currency markets, you can see a wide variety of crosses, majors, as well as minor currency pairs. And in the example of the US dollar versus the Australian dollar, it gives you the specific time frames, which is almost 24 hours when they offer that particular asset and its availability. If you're interested in opening an account on TradeRush, you can click the Open Account button at the bottom, or there's one open to the side as well on the right-hand side on the home page. It'll ask you for a number of pertinent information, as well as the type of currency that you're going to use and the country that you come from. They tell you on the right-hand side here that they have offer no margins, as well as up to a 50% bonus for initial investments. The banking that they allow is mainly either credit cards, debit cards, wire transfers, or money bookers. Their minimum deposit to open an account is $200, and they are currently accepting US dollars, euros, British pounds, and Canadian dollars, although U.S. traders should constantly monitor these if TradeRush is continuing to accept the U.S. as a currency. For the maximum that they allow on credit card deposits is $10,000, and there is no maximum for wire transfers. You can request a withdrawal by either emailing their support staff or going to their My Account section of the platform and filling out a withdrawal request. They have live chat, which you can ask numerous questions to, as well as phone numbers in locations throughout the world, which allow you to speak directly to a customer service person who can answer any of your questions specifically related to adding money, as well as withdrawing money from the accounts. The TradeRush offers a number of different type of trading methodologies. As I mentioned before, there are call put, OneTouch, and well as pairs, but additionally they offer, as I said, pair options, which is an unusual type of trading style. It's not listed right here, but pair options allow you to trade gold versus silver, or even the euro versus an index, like a stock like the Nasdaq. They offer numerous amounts of pairs, and that's an unusual different type of strategy that is offered by TradeRush. It's one of the better type of trading tools out there. It's highly recommended. Good luck with all of your trades.